I gotta charge this battery. So I'm on my phone now because, the battery issue, and it's still charging. I am looking up reading Ambience, and I am in the mood for Strawberry Shortcake. I am in the mood for 80s. I don't think my TV really supports whatever is going on here. So just let me show you. Okay. What is going on with the color? Is that... I don't remember it being that dull. And it's blurry. I'm going to do some Bible journaling real quick. And I've done my Bible reading. Usually I try to do a Bible journal first just to get my mind right, but not today. Obviously, I'm going to have to mute this.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
I tell you what, it is too cold for shorts. It flurried yesterday. Here, how about that? Ugh. This is oily from all that, whatever suet is made of. There we go. Obviously, I need to fill up the regular feeders too. But here's the berry suet that it's being eaten a little bit, but it's just not, it doesn't seem to be as popular. I see some birds, so I'm going to try to sneak over and see if you can see them too. these houses. They're so cute. Like there's a little town. All that. Oh, it's like a sound bath out here. So here's what's going on in here. Got some ominous music going on. I guess that's the baker dressed up. Set a timer for 5 minutes, please. Well, obviously I just got back from a haircut. My new girl here called me with an appointment opening, which was so very sweet of her. Since I only needed a trim, I just needed to get the dead ends taken care of, which was a lot. So quite a bit of length taken off, but that's what happens when you don't trim. Ooh. Well, what happened?
Oh, I was trying to blow a guy up, but somebody got him before I could.
Did you get points for blowing people up? Really?
Yeah.
There's somebody running?
No, I'm driving real fast to keep from getting shot.